Strong winds accompanied by rain and blowing dust hit Bahrain yesterday, reducing visibility in several areas. The winds blowing at 46 km per hour knocked down trees, billboards and fences, while damages and leaks were reported in malls and luxury apartments. Emergency work commenced to reinforce graves at the Hanania cemetery in Riffa, where dead bodies were forced to the surface during heavy rains last year. Meanwhile, moderate rain is expected today, while cloudy weather will continue until next Saturday. It's forecast to rain from Sunday onwards.